Good morning student, here is Priyanka Miss and today I am here to take you EV. So today's lesson is transport. What a transport. All of you have seen bus, car, then all of you have seen the rickshaw, right? These are all transport. You all have seen train, auto rickshaw, scooter, bike. These are all different kinds of transport. And why do we need transport? We need transport when we travel from one place to another. So when we travel from one place to another, we need different kinds of transport according to our distance. Okay. So there are three means of transport, that is land transport, water transport and air transport. So what is land transport? The transport that move on the land are called land transport. And water transport, the transport that is moving over the water is called water transport. And what is air transport? The transport that moving through the air is called air transport. So you have got it, what is water transport, air transport and land transport. Now let us see some example of air transport, water transport and land transport. This is a bus. This is a train. An auto rickshaw. And this is a car. These are all land transport. This is an aeroplane, hot air balloon, and this is a helicopter. These are the examples of air transport. Then this is a ship. This is a ferry. And this is a yacht. These are the examples of water transport. I have seen the different examples of land transport, water transport and air transport. So according to our traveling distance, we choose our transport. If we are going to nearby places, what we are using? We are using bicycle, rickshaw, auto rickshaw, okay. But if we are going little more far, we are using our personal car, bus, right? And if we are going out of stations, then how we are traveling? We are traveling through train. There are buses also, and there is aeroplane, okay. So according to our distance, we choose our transport. So there are different kinds of transport also, that is drawn by animals, powered by man, then powered by machine, and these are the different kinds of transport. There are transport that are drawn by animals, powered by man, and there are many transport that moves with the help of machine. So let us see some example of the transport that drawn by animals, powered by man and powered by machines. This is a bullock cart. This is a tonga. And these are the example of the vehicles that are drawn by animals. This is a rickshaw and this is a bicycle. These are the example of the vehicles that are powered by man. This is a bike and this is a tram. These are the example of the vehicles that are powered by machine. Now you have seen the examples of the vehicles that are drawn by animals, powered by man and powered by machine. And there is one more kind of transport, that is called a cargo transport. What is a cargo transport? The transport which carry heavy goods from one place to another, or from one country to another country, or from one state to another. They are called cargo transport. For example, just you can take truck, aircraft. Okay, these are cargo transport. Why? Because they are carrying goods from one place to another. So let us see more example of this. You have now known about the different types of transport. A vehicles cannot move by itself, right? So we need someone to drive it. So every vehicles have their different drivers. Just a pilot drives a plane. Bus driver drives bus, right? Then a ship, that ship's captain drives ship. Aircraft pilots drive aircrafts and boatman drives the boat. So there are different person, they are the special person who drives these vehicles, right? And as you have seen, there are so many vehicles on the road. So we need to control the vehicles, right? If we will leave the vehicles if we will not control the vehicles, what will happen? Accident may occur. So there are some police, traffic police you have seen. Then there is a traffic light. Then there are traffic signs which help us to control these vehicles. Okay, so I think now you have understood this chapter. Now try to solve your PDF and study hard, and thank you.